Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for how to delete Instagram account? So you have found the right video. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So let's get started. Open your Instagram app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines on the top right corner. Go into account center, then tap personal detail. Tap account ownership and control. Tap deactivation and deletion. Select Instagram account. There are two options: deactivation account temporary and delete account permanent. Select second option and tap continue. They will ask you the reason. Select if you have any. Otherwise select the last one, something else. Then tap to continue button. Enter your password and continue. It takes about 1 month to remove your all data and details of account. Do not log in your account for a month. Now hit the delete account button and that's it. You have successfully deleted your account permanently. If you find the video easy and helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Stay in touch for more informative videos.